It's a beautiful day. It's time to go for a ride in the wonderful, beautiful Rocky Mountains and see some of the fall foliage. Let's do it. It's been a good ride so far. We've got a couple more miles to go. You know, I've been coming to this spot for quite a while, just to take a break on the trail. And I've always considered camping here. It's just a beautiful spot with these cliffs in the background. And there's some mountains over, snow-covered mountains that way. It's really beautiful. Plenty of nice area to camp. The firing already here. There's obviously a ton of wood. Yeah, I think I might have to come back on the bike and actually do a little backpacking, but just have the bike bring me here. Might be a nice evening. Might just have to do that.